Okay, I have some free stuff for you. We all like free, don't we? Sure we do. All right, so I get frustrated using a web search site, whether it's Google or DuckDuckGo or Bing, searching for free stock photos or vector graphics or whatever, and you search for free, and then you find it, you get a load of images coming back, and you select one that you like, and lo and behold, it's not free at all. So I put together 7 different websites for you that we're going to provide you with free, truly free, stock photos, illustrations, vector graphics, clip art, video, and audio files. The one thing that I've been searching for a very long time is a site that gives away free money, but I haven't found one of those yet. But I'll keep searching, and if I find one, I will let you guys know. No, I won't. No, I won't. I will keep that one all to myself. All right, so the first site that I want to show you is Public Domain Vectors. And I've got it up on the screen right now. And it has tons of vectors. And if you look down here at format, you can look at all formats. If you can use all formats, you can specify SVG for the file type, or Adobe Illustrator, or encapsulated PostScript. Now, if you're using the open source software application Inkscape, which I will be doing some tutorials on, it can use any of those 3. So you can search for all of them. It won't matter. So if we go up here and it says these are public domain, so they are free to use. So if we search for something, I don't know, let's say space. Okay, and now you come back with a load of clip art vector graphics that are space related, whether it's spaceships or aliens or astronauts. And some of these are very high quality. You've got to search through them, but some of them are very, very high quality. So let's search for, I don't know, mountains. And there, it comes back with a load of mountains. Let's see how many pages there. So there's 3 pages of just that, of just mountain, oriented illustrations and vector graphics. So whatever you want to search for, you should be able to find it there. Next site is Wikimedia Commons. Now they not only have images, but they have sounds and they have videos. So, and they put up a picture of the day, they put up media of the day, which is a video. Shoalhaven Heads, New South Wales. And you can use all of this, in your project. And if you're like me, I rarely have time when I'm trying to complete a project to produce every single aspect of it on my own. I just don't have the time to do that. All right, so let's search for images. Let's search for space again. And we bring up a page that's just space related. All right, let's look for beach. And these are some high quality photos that they've got on Wikimedia Commons. Okay, so let's go to the next site, which is LibreStock Photo. What LibreStock Photo does, from what I can tell, is that it scours the web. It says, we scan and index the best free photos from the top stock sites. So it's like an aggregator. So, and you can see here, they've got some really high quality pictures that you can view and download. All right, so let's do a search here. Let's search for beach again and see what kind of photos come back. And once again, you've got some pretty high quality photos, beach wave and sand free stock photo. So it's absolutely fantastic, you know, depending on what you're looking for to incorporate into your project. All right, so next up is NASA image and videos. Oh, and they have audio files as well. So terrestrial planet finder. Okay, audio. Let's search for sounds of Saturn. See if anything comes up. Yeah, so images, video, audio, you can uncheck, you know, if you're just looking for images, look for Saturn. And there we come up with images of Saturn. So the NASA, if it's space related or science related, the NASA site is absolutely fantastic for very high quality photos and videos and audio. Okay, so the next free site is ISO Republic. And as you can see, there's some very high quality photos on this site as well, and they should all be free. It also has a video collection, so let's do the same search. Let's see if anything comes up. Okay, so there are some photos of that's on Shutterstock. So let's just put in planets. And they have a video, a very short video, on the solar system. Okay, let's look up beach. And you can just, the ones at the top, it's an ad for Shutterstock. But if you just, you know, look at the other ones. Okay, and this is a free photo. So Creative Commons. So it's free to download, free to use. Even if you want to use it in your project, you can do that. All right, the next site is UnSplash. We'll look up beach again, and here we go. I don't know what happened there. Let's check that again. There we go. And this is featured in wallpapers. So if you're looking for wallpapers, free download. And then they also have premium. Premium photos from iStock again. So iStock really gets advertising on just about all these sites. But if you just pay attention, and just go to the free section of their website, and you can see that, and it looks like Unsplash is having issues right now. So, great timing. All right, the last site that I want to show you is Burst, and this is created by Shopify.com. So let's see what they have as far as beach. And I think that these guys are very particular about what photos they show. And you've got a low resolution, you've got a high resolution version of that. Download free photo. So we'll look at this one. High resolution, free photo. So there are all kinds of images on these sites that you can download and use in your project. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys access to those resources because my experience with looking for this stuff just through an internet search engine is just terrible for trying to find actual free media to use in projects. So you can check these sites out, bookmark them, take advantage of you know, all the assets that are there on those websites that you can download and use in your projects for free. That's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one.